Welcome back, guys. Today we're getting ready to go for a test drive at a 1972 C-10 pickup. This one here has, I believe, to be 350 up under the hood. It's definitely got some work done to it. Got a nice cam. This one's power steering. We're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. Like I said, we're gonna be going on a test drive, pointing out any kind of flaws that it may have running and driving down the road. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe. Post videos every single day. We're gonna do a walk around of this truck as well, so be looking for that. That way you know everything about it before you come down here. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and yes, we'll ship them all over the world. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna check out the interior. Go ahead, do you think the horn works? You can do that at home. Place your bets there. Doesn't look too bad. It does have a seat cover. The seat over here is a little ripped up. We'll start it up. Aftermarket gauges under the dash. Starts up nice and easy. Still a little cold. Oil pressure's coming up, about 40. Let's try our fans. Blower motor is working and it is cutting on. We do have a radio in the office. It's showing 8,735 miles. You know I can't stand behind that. This is a 72 model, so it's quite a bit of years to only have those miles. Horn does not work. Let's see what she sounds like out here. All right, here we go. We're gonna take off down the road. Any kind of flaws that I see, I will point out and let you know. Definitely gonna stop at the gas station. See how much fuel we have in this truck. Our speedometer is not working. It's not coming up. The gas gauge is sitting on empty. That's why we're stopping up there. Temp gauge has not moved yet. Should be coming up by now. The volt gauge is not hooked up. Oil pressure's working. Go ahead and try my brakes before we get too far. Brakes feel good. Suspension's not bad. Both turn signals are popping up on the dash there. If I let go of the steering wheel, it seems to be going straight down the road. Not really any slack in the steering either. Kickdown is not hooked up on this one, which is the passing gear. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car or truck, and we'll keep rolling down the road. Love the color of this truck. After I put some fuel in it, we're gonna be checking the gas gauge in there and let you know if it works. Gas gauge is on the right of the dash here. You know, it filled up about $10, so I think the gas gauge is broke. Not quite working. We got a full tank here. Rolling out of the gas station. Definitely gonna roll this window down over here. Get some air circulating. Feels really smooth going down the road. I like the way it shifts, and got plenty of power when it takes off. Motor's got plenty of life left. Talk about that cam. Sounds good. We're gonna head over here to this parking lot, use some of my gadgets. If you want to see what I use, check the description below. I got Amazon links to everything, including this sweat towel. This thing's awesome. Just soak it with water, snap it out, and it gets cold every time. All right, I'm gonna get these outside shots, and I'm gonna do a walk around real quick. Got y'all set up on my head here. I'm gonna beam you down a little. That way you can see everything. Ooh, we got that storm rolling in. That's all right with me. Maybe it'll cool off. Try not to turn my head too much, make y'all dizzy. Just keep you in a straight line here. Yeah, if y'all haven't already, check out that walk around. I can hear the blinker, but I can't see it anymore. It was popping up. Turn on this road right here. It does have a big speed bump in it. Kind of listen for rattles, feel the suspension. Gives you a good idea. I'll be pointing it out. It's right here in the road. Ready? Not too bad. Suspension feels good in this one. Pull back into the lot, go ahead and grab another vehicle and do another test drive. Well, we might go to lunch. Look at that cloud back there. It's about to storm hard. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, we'll try to help you out. Visit maplemotors.com for financing information, and yes, we can ship these trucks and cars all over the nation. Also, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. We'll do our best to help you out. You can also hit that notification bell to be alerted every time I post. All right, we're gonna get her put up before this storm rolls in. It's looking pretty wicked. Y'all have a good one.